Hey everybody, it's Charlene with Roadrunners, and tonight I'm back in Wichita and I'm in a Loft Hotel, which is a Marriott property, and this is room 403. I really like the style of this. The downstairs is really neat. Nice king bed, cool, very cool room, that's nice. Desk and everything, little place to sit. And bathroom is really nicely appointed. This is a new hotel, but it's got the stand-up shower like I always like. And there I am, hi. And just really nice. You know, little closet space here, nothing major. I like that the refrigerator's under the sink. So yeah, I'm hoping this is gonna be nice. I'll get some video of downstairs too, and see what everybody thinks about it, because this is pretty nice. It's been a long day, but tomorrow I'll fly home in the afternoon after some stuff in the morning. So hope everybody's having a good Friday. Yay.